So this right here is a Matrix Climbmill. As part of the refurbishing process, we're gonna test the machine and then we take it apart and then we're gonna sand and repaint it. This is before we have sanded and repainted it. All we did with this one is we tested it and we took it apart. This is a very typical machine you're gonna see at the gym. As you can see, it's quite filthy in here. Since users climb on top of this, their sweat drips straight down. This is pretty typical for something we pull out of a gym. You can just see down here what it looks like. Now, I want to show you the similar frame. It's over here. Right here, we basically, on every single machine, we're going to replace the main wear points. One of them is, there's a bearing right in here that's going to be replaced. Also, this drive belt right here is replaced on every single machine. The other thing is these step rods with bearings look like every single machine. We're gonna put new bearings inside these chain link connectors here and new step rods in there. And then for everything else, something like the chain and everything else, we're gonna inspect every part, every function. There's some fans spinning in there. Make sure those are all working like new. We're gonna grease up the chain. Along with this, on every machine, we make sure that it has the most updated software. So what this will do is it'll clear out any changes the previous owner made to the machine. So it basically is gonna default to the factory settings. So those are a couple things we do, for the refurbishing process. Anything that is wrong, what our techs are gonna do is we're gonna make a list of parts needed, place an order request form, and get those parts going. While those parts are in motion getting ordered, we're gonna go to our paint booth. This has been, as you can see, completely sanded and repainted. Any non-metal and plastic parts that can't be painted are gonna be cleaned and polished to look new. If you inspect everywhere inside the machine, you're not gonna notice any flaws. I mean, it's completely new inside and out. Everything's been cleaned. Once it's reassembled, we're gonna do some final testing. Our goal is when you get it, you're not gonna notice the difference between a remanufactured machine and a new machine. We also ship and install machines nationwide, and then it's gonna be like new with a 1-year warranty standard with extended warranty options for up to 5 years. That's potentially longer than a new warranty at a much better price. Then once it's done, we're gonna sell it, so yeah.